Hello everyone, my name is Shivan Malecha and today I am going to show you how to make a homemade volcano using 3 ingredients you will have. So first is vinegar, second is baking soda and third is some spices and haldi mixed. So first we have to usually put the baking soda. Then we have to put the haldi and the spices for the color. And then you make sure you thoroughly mix it. Make sure it comes like a color like this. Then you have to pour the vinegar and wait for the explosion. But if you have failed in this attempt and means it didn't come out, okay, so you can use your previous attempts vinegar also. But I'll use a new one. Like this. So now you have made your own homemade volcano. So now you can see it's still fizzing and the spices are dancing on top.